On February 14, 2025, at 1:31 a.m., a routine traffic stop in Humble, Texas, quickly turned into a major drug and weapons bust. Officer pulled over a Ford Flex with expired registration on Highway 59. What started as a simple stop escalated when the officer smelled marijuana and noticed a Glock 9mm handgun in the driver's door panel. The driver, 42-year-old Deshawn Jones, admitted to having marijuana, but officers discovered much more: 1.7 ounces of marijuana, 8.3 grams of meth pills, and a loaded firearm. Let's take a closer look.
This window is messed up.
Okay. Officer, Unlawful police. Here's on the stop. Your registration is expired. Also, when you get pulled over, traffic law states that you're supposed to pull over to the right, not to the left. That's why I was giving you.
Yes, sir. Okay. I'm running late. I'm supposed to be DJing, so I'm running late for work.
Okay. You got your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir. Can I get it in my...
Yeah. Any weapons?
Is Deshawn Jones hiding something, since he just ignored the officers when asked an important question?
No, sir.
So I just asked you if you have any weapons, and you said no. And there's a gun right there.
Yes, sir.
So, are you gonna be straight up with me or what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I'm trying to get to work.
You said what?
I'm just running late for work. I'm trying to get there on time. I'm sorry.
Okay. You got any marijuana in the car?
Yes, sir.
You do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Where is the marijuana? Because I can smell it.
Right here.
In there?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
25 DL. Alright, do me a favor and step out. Put your hands up here when you step out, okay? Do not reach for anything. Just put this right here. You're not going anywhere, okay?
Yes,
step out. Stand right here. Hands right there. Right there. Hands right here. Hands right here. Any weapons on you? Are you sure? Okay. Hands behind your back. I'm just detaining you for my safety, okay? You said what? I'm sorry? Yeah, give me just a second. I'll work with you in just a second, okay? Give me 1 minute. How much marijuana do you have? You also smell like marijuana. Yeah. Were you smoking or what?
No, it was some doobies in the car.
Some doobies in the car? Yeah, what you had all these ones for?
Usually have the strip club.
Oh, so they give you the tips.
Yes, sir.
I got you.
I'm supposed to be there at 2 o'clock.
How much money you have in here?
That's probably about $60.
60 bucks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 25, go ahead. 1 in custody. First record. Go ahead and have a seat.
Think I can call him?
Hold on. That's good. Just have a seat right here for now. Yeah, give me just a second. I gotta, let me do my job first.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Can I pull my pants in?
You got any marijuana in your crotch or anything like that?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Alright, have a seat. Slide in. Give me a minute, okay? I'll be with you. That's clear. Are you clear for a 9mm Glock? Okay, so letting you know right now, you're under arrest for unlawful carry of a weapon, okay? You cannot mix firearms with narcotics, in this case marijuana, okay? Is there any other things that I should know about in the car, aside from that? Because I'm gonna search it, very thoroughly, but I need to know, be upfront.
Yes, sir. It's just I got in the console, I just got the weed. If I could call my job.
Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna bring your belongings, okay? Your phone and your wallet, okay?
Yes, sir.
But, I mean, just letting you know what's happening, all right? Oh, we got more right here. You want to tell me what this is? We already know. We already know what it is, right? I mean, I've been doing this for a while, right? You want to be just upfront? The entire time you've been lying. I asked you if there were any weapons, you said no. Then you said that was the only marijuana, and then I find more, and then I find this. Want to be upfront? You want to start over? What's this? This ain't medicine.
I'm done.
What is it?
This some stuff I had.
I can't hear you, man.
It's just some stuff I had. I'm done, sir.
No more working. It's kind of bad. How are you? Let's move it up the roadway, and then the only thing I need to search finally is the back of the trunk. The keys are in the ignition. Already, all yours.
I'm trying to figure out how to turn the inside lights out.
Shit, I've never done one of these, so I guess let's get some batteries, aces, answer. Thank you. Alright, my man, let's get out of here. Do you have any narcotics between your crotch? Are you sure? Because I don't believe a freaking word of what you're telling me, because you've been lying the entire time. Are you sure? Or I'm gonna strip search it.
You got a strip search, sir. It'll make you feel better, man.
No, man, I'm just, because I don't want you to access any kind of contraband or narcotics in our jail. This ain't Harris County. Yeah. This is Humboldt, and we take that serious.
Yeah, you done found everything.
I found everything that you have.
Trust me. You found everything.
Okay, get out. Nothing inside your socks,
No, sir.
your shoes.
You can
Okay,
check
we're gonna
everything.
check that here in a second, but
Yes, sir.
I just want to make sure, man. All right. I know it sucks, it is what it is, but, I mean, come on, man. Walk this way. I'm gonna open that door for you. Just be careful. Stand by the phone, because it opens up automatically. You can walk through it, and then just stand right there facing the wall, okay? Just a minute. We can't go in there with guns. All right. Go ahead. What do you do? What you got? What you got? Stand right there, around the counter. He's gonna be unlawful carry of weapon and PCS. Probably with intent to deliver, but I'll do UCW for him. Okay, stand right here, facing that way. Move your feet apart. What club do you play at? Liveberry. So you said it's a strip club? Hmm. All right. Go ahead and remove your hoodie. What do you got on there? Hand it to me. You can face me. Relax. Okay. Right. Remove your jacket. Are those prescription glasses?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Remove your jacket and hand it to me. Okay. You didn't take the tag off? You can return it later or what? Just messing with you, man. Not the Halo song. Not the Halo song. Hell yeah. Okay, remove all the jewelry you have. Bracelets, necklace, hair tie. Is your mom and kid or what?
That's me and my grandma.
Your grandma, okay. That's fine. Alright. Take off your shoes and hand them to me. Are these the Travis Scotts or something? Yeah, I've seen these ones. Remove your socks, flip them inside out, and then you can put them back on. I just gotta make sure you don't have anything in there. Okay? You can put it back on. Alright, good deal. You can put them back on. Leave everything in there like I have it.
In the end, Deshawn Jones went from thinking this was just a routine stop to being handcuffed and in the back of the police car after officers caught him in too many lies. Jones was charged with possession of a controlled substance and unlawful carrying of a weapon. Did officers handle this stop the right way, or was there more to the story? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I have to pull you over next. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.